In this video, I will show you how to add payment method in crypto.com. So first thing you need to do is open up your crypto.com app and then click on this accounts option from the bottom of your screen. Then on the screen, you will see a bunch of options. From this option, you have to click on this fiat wallet. Then on the screen, you will be able to see all of your transactions in your fiat. So now once you open up this wallet first time, you will see deposit button at the middle of your screen. So just click on it and then you can simply add your bank account. If you don't find this option and you have this similar screen, you can click on this transfer button and from there click on this deposit. And after that, select your fiat currency. You can add multiple fiat currencies if you want, or you can simply select your local currency. And then it will give you the all of your available payment method that you can currently add to your crypto.com. So just select the payment method that you want to add and then simply enter your payment details. If you selected your bank account as a payment method, then you need to select your bank account from the list and then enter your online credentials and your bank account will be linked to your crypto.com. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.